Our fuser light is a multi-purpose light that has both a front end and a back end light for different applications. It comes with 3 different magnets, a swivel hook, as well as a stand to allow for different applications of what you're lighting up. We also have a temperature gun. This has got a 12:1 aspect ratio. This allows you to take the temperature across the room of ceilings, of different features, and it has high accuracy and allows you to read just a 1-foot diameter circle in 12 feet away. Most of the competitors' units, in fact, have a 4:1, so you're not measuring as precisely. Our Sonocheck is a sound pressure level meter with C-weighted scale and allows you to take the sound level of what you're actually the room is having right now. So as I'm speaking, this will change, and as I increase my volume of my voice, you'll see it goes up. This is used in home theater applications, and this is used for alarm, safety alarm applications. We have different bore scopes in this category as well. This is our Cobra Cam USB. USB because it's driven by your laptop computer. You plug it in and it's completely powered. It comes with a 36-inch wand with a small diameter camera head, has full zoom capabilities, and also will allow you to take a picture and a movie of each one of the items. An application for this might be if someone complains that you have a bad cable in a wall. You can take a picture of some type of rodent that may have chewed the cable in the wall and prove to them through video documentation that in fact there's a problem, but it's behind the wall. This is our Cobra Cam 2. This Cobra Cam 2 is a self-contained unit that has a watertight connection up to this point. We have extensions that allow you to get to 100 feet in length with this unit with no loss of clarity. It comes with a standard 6-foot camera wand and a smaller diameter camera head than even our USB. This version of this unit retails for $189. Most units out in the market are well over that with a larger diameter head and a smaller length and cable. Our clip light is a rim light that goes on your cap, and it allows you to illuminate various things when it's sitting on your baseball cap. This sits over your cap so it's not in your field of vision. It also has a capability for night light for reading maps at night, and for a safety standpoint, if you're riding your bicycle or walking the dog, you can be seen well with this. I also would add that both the Cobra Cam 2 and the Cobra Cam USB come in their own hard carrying cases. The fuser light has a case, as well as many of these different products. In the specialty solutions category, we have a few products that are made specifically for the for the security installer. This is a wrist monitor which slips over your wrist, allowing for two-handed operation as you climb a ladder when you install your security cameras. You connect up your security camera output directly to this, and you can set the focus, and you can also set the field of view and see what's going on by using this unit itself. It allows you to have to not go back to the monitoring station, so it saves time on the job. This is a PTZ camera tester. This camera allows you to set up pan, tilt, zoom cameras and has full bar generating capabilities and graph generating capabilities. In our handheld meter category, this is what Triplett is known for. This is wire testing, wire capabilities, wire tracing units. We have a wide variety of products which allow you to check cables from our cable raters, our wire masters, our TDRs. All of these products allow you to trace wires or check wire capabilities. One of the products that I'd like to talk about is our TDR. The TDR is a product that retails for $199, and this allows you to look for breaks in cables. If you are doing a telephone installation and the telephone line is not working correctly, this will allow you to tell exactly at 58.3 feet the line is broken. Or if you're cutting cable at 220 feet, you can tell that it's exactly 220 feet long as opposed to 270 feet. When you're billing out, it saves time and money for the guy billing the job. We have an HDMI tester, which will test HDMI cables buried into walls. You detach the remote, plug in your HDMI on one end, plug in the HDMI on the other end, and it will allow you to test that cable that's buried in the wall rather than pull up the drywall and check for that HDMI cable because the customer thinks it's bad. This will check the new 1.4 version HDMI cables that are out in the market. Our handheld meters are a great product line. Our 9007 is a direct competitor with Fluke's. This unit retails for $59 and has a large display and full backlight capability. It's a marketing, it's a full function meter which allows you to check almost any feature you need in the electrical applications. The other thing about this, at $59 retail, if you drop it off the roof, you don't cry about it, you just go buy another meter. And it's basically the same as the Fluke unit. The 9055 is a unit which is a full function 6-way meter. This has a built-in lux meter, a built-in DBC scale meter, percent RH meter, a non-contact voltage detector, a temperature reader that is for the local, and also a remote temperature reading device. This unit retails for $159, and for the guy starting out his business, this is a great meter to have because now he has one tool in his toolbox rather than 12 or 15. When you're tracing wires, you have 3 different capabilities. This is our good, better, best capability for tracing wires. When you are working in walls and you want to know where a certain line goes, you shut the power off, and when you shut the power off, you then can connect up this tone generator to that line, and that allows you to place a tone over the line, and you can trace that wire with the receiving unit and tell where that wire is going through the walls. Now, if you have a metal studded office like I'm in now, where you're trying to find something like a invisible fence dog line, our Fox 2 Hound 3 has that capability. A little bit more powerful unit, as I say, better unit, but it does also telephone and different RJ connections on it as well, and this will trace wires a little bit higher level. However, if you're in an application where you can't shut the power off, we do have a unit, our Hotwire Fox and Hound, has the same capabilities as a Fox and Hound, but you do not have to shut the power off. It comes with different leads that allow you to plug directly into an outlet, and so now you can trace a line without shutting the power off up to 220 volts. The last product I'd like to talk about is just our breaker sniffet. The breaker sniffet is a unit where we all have run into applications where we have to shut off the power to a certain outlet. Well, you know where that outlet is, you plug in this unit into the wall, you go back to your electrical panel, and with this unit you can find out exactly which breaker to shut off. This allows you to be safe when you're having some type of electrical work done. All the Triplett products allow you to save time and money on the job. For an installation professional, all the Triplett products allow you to save money and work smarter and safer.